Hello and welcome to another day of Fabulous Phonics with me, Miss Hulstrom. Are you ready? Let's go. Bounce the sounds 3 times. Fantastic. Keep going. Amazing. Now let's listen to some words. My turn, your turn. Rain, train, plane. Rain, train, plane. Whispering voices. Rain, train, plane. Fantastic. Ooh, what sound do you hear in all of those words? Let's see if you're right. Have you got your phoneme fingers ready? Here we go. My word is main. First sound. Second sound. Third sound. Fantastic. My word is paint. I like to paint. First sound. Second sound. Third sound. Fourth sound. Amazing. My next word is wait. First sound. Second sound. Third sound. Brilliant. Can you try waiting? Waiting. First sound. Second sound. Third sound. Fourth sound. Fifth sound. Fantastic. Waiting. Can you try one all by yourselves? The word is rainbow. On your own. I know how many sounds it is. How many sounds did you get? If you got R-A-N-B-O, 5 sounds, give yourself a high five. Fantastic. I'm going to be a robot. You're going to be blenders. B-R-A-N. Is your brain switched on today? Fantastic. Ready? W-A-T-I-M. Amazing. R-A-N-B-O. Amazing. K-O-M-P-L-A-N. Oh, complain. That's a tricky word. Well done. One more. Are you ready? K-O-M-P-L-A-N. Complaining. Fabulous. Your turn to be a robot. Show me your robot arts. Your word is main. Well done. Your word is train. Amazing. Your word is wait. What about waiting? Amazing. One more. Are you ready? Maintain. Fantastic. That was amazing. Okay. Who thinks they know my sound? Let's see if you're right. It's an A sound. This time it's an A-I. This is called a digraph. Well done. 2 letters, 1 sound. You say it. A. Are you ready? Every time I move it, can you say the sound? A, 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 A. Fabulous. This is the A sound. Let's read some words with the A sound in it. When we read, what do? Ooh, let's check together. We look at the letters, make the sound, blend the sound together. Fantastic. Here we go. What do you notice about this word? It starts with a capital letter, which means it's somebody's name. It's somebody's name. Fantastic. Next word. Or check out the window. Is there any rain today? Or is the sun shining brightly? Here we go. Wait! Good waiting, everybody. Next word. Here we go. You are getting very good at this reading. Here we go, next word. Oh, Miss Hulstrom did it wrong there, ready? Aim. Amazing. Next word. Oh, can you wag your tail like a dog? Oh, fantastic. Now we've done some reading. Who thinks they can do some writing? Get your paper and your pen or pencil ready. Miss Hulstrom's going to get hers ready. Okay. When we write, what do we do? That's right, we say the word, say the word, say the word. Finger the word, write the word. Your word is, let me see. Your word is rain. Finger it. Write it. Rain. Your word is rain. Oh, have you remembered your beautiful cursive handwriting for the word rain? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rain. 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 Fantastic. Your next word is plain. What is it? Plain. Fantastic. Say it. Finger it. Write it. Let's go. Plain. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you spell it right? Plain. Plain. Brilliant. One more word for today. Are you ready? Your word is painting. I like painting the fence. The word is painting. Finger it. Write it. Can you beat me? It's a tricky word to write. Oh, it's tricky. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you spell it right? Painting. Brilliant phonics today, guys. I have another daily challenge for you. Today, I want you to see how many words you can write that have the A sound in it. I found 5. Can you find more than me? See you later.